7 million sold!
Thank you, Sam, for your generosity. I mean, who gives a car for auction, for charity, right?
Tonight, nakapag-raise tayo ng 19 million pesos para makapagpagawa ng bone marrow transplant na lugar sa PGH, and we're so happy to raise that fund.
Of course, it's very important to show support to those in need, especially those cancer patients, because they've gone through so much already. They're going through so much, and it's always nice to be able to help out.
I'm part of the board of directors of I Want to Share Foundation. I know maraming matutulungan at that's part of my advocacy. As someone who grew up in the streets of Sampaloc, naramdaman ko na masaya ako pag natutulungan kami noon nung wala pa kami. Now that I'm in the position to give back and help, I will do everything that I can. Iba't ibang mga foundations that I have, and now I'm part of this, para sa mga cancer patients of the Philippines. Nasaksihan natin na ang dami palang gustong tumulong, ang daming gustong mag-donate para sa mga kababayan natin. We do this not just to help but also to inspire others to do the same. Much more at mas marami pang gagawin yung I Want to Share Foundation.